came to Noah on a one fine day. He said, "Pardon me, Noah, I got something to say. I've chosen you to help me out with the problem of notes. Noah, build me a boat." I've been walking around on the face of this earth, seen so much corruption since Eve gave birth. I've seen a world full of evil, and you know what kind of sticks in my throat. Oh, build me a boat. Build it in cubits, pitch it without and within. I'll send you all the animals and you just let them in. While the world goes swimming, you and your family will float. Oh, build me a boat. Well, Noah built the ark like the Lord told him to. And then came the animals two by two. The elephants, the platypus, the chickens, giraffes, and the goats. They came into the boat. The Lord opened up the heavens and the rain came down. He opened up the floodgates from deep in the ground. The waters kept rising and Noah and the ark stayed afloat. They were safe in the boat. It rained 40 days and it rained 40 nights. The animals below made quite a sight. The ark tossed up, the ark tossed down. The chance of seeing ground again were getting more and more remote. But they stayed on the boat. The thunder thundered and the lightning flew. It was a rough old passage for Noah and his crew, but they rode those waves and they never, ever, ever lost hope. And they stayed on the boat. Then the rain quit raining and the waves calmed down. Noah stuck out his head and saw water all around. He sent out a raven, but the water still churned. Then he sent out a dove, but the dove returned. We waited a week and let the dove fly away. And he didn't come back till the end of the day. But he came back with a branch in his beak and a song in his throat. He came back to the boat. When the waters went down, Noah knew where they were at. Sitting right smack dab on Mount Ararat. He turned the animals loose, all happy and fat. Then the sun came out and Noah danced as he took off his coat. And he smiled at that boat. The Lord spoke to Noah and said, "Good job, my friend. Swear to you I'll never flood the earth again. I give my rainbow as a promise that will never be broke." You're done with that boat. If this little story didn't give you your fix, you can read it in the Bible in Genesis 6. When the Lord spoke to Noah, and I know it's not exactly a quote, he said, "Build me a boat." Oh, be fruitful and multiply, Noah. Fill the earth. Part of my plan.